I felt like a kid in a candy store. After all that time going through emotions of project and selections and issues and solutions and finally moving to our retirement home, I was overwhelmed with emotions, like, to be honest. They say that it's one of the biggest projects that our family will overcome in the life, and we made it.
Seeing like how excited the clients are to move in or start their families or anything around that, it's just it's very rewarding. It's a wonderful feeling, and just making them have that perfect space for their family is just phenomenal.
When we leave, we will always want them to know that we are leaving their home to give it back to them, but we're not leaving for good. They're clients for life with us. We phone them within 30 days finishing the project, and we come back out and visit them, as well as 1 year and then 2 years, and then that leads into our lifetime warranty that we provide them.
We recommend Amsted to all of our friends, families, colleagues, everyone that we know.
They live to their reputation. After reading all the reviews, hearing testimonies from other customers, previous customers, yeah, absolutely. They delivered.